Okay, first exercise should be like squat. Come middle of the mat. Legs together, yes. Let's go. 20 times. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, normal breathe in. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now from here, shake your leg one by one. Yeah, one by one, shake your leg. Okay, next exercise should be first again squat, jump, then raise your right leg up or left leg up. Continue. Come on. Continue. Sit down, please. Chair posture. Yeah. Then left leg up. Continue 10 times. 2. Yeah. 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6. Very good job. 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, right leg please. Come on. Let's go. 10 times. 1. Yeah. More. 2. More. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. Good job. Very good. 10. Relax. Okay. Let's spread your leg. Drop your elbow down. One leg fold. One leg fold. Fold your leg. Raise your right leg 10 times up down. Continue please. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and change your side please. Same way. Yeah. Nice. Come on, let's go for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front and back. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, come to cat pose. Then raise your right leg up. Continue. Yeah, come on. Let's go. 1, yeah. 2, 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, very good. Left leg, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. One more time. Come on, let's go. Same way. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Very good. Left leg. Come on, please. That's great. Come on. Don't be tired. 1. Look front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll come to child pose, please. Child pose, child pose. Relax your spine, relax your whole body. Okay, come to cat pose now. This time, raise your right leg sideways up down. Come on. Let's go 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, 5 more. Come on, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Change your side, please. Left leg. Come on, same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, left leg. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come to child pose. Okay, lie down on the back. Now slowly raise your hip up and down. Continue, please. Come on. 10 times. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 1. My favorite sidewise squat jump. Right side and left side. Let's go. Come on. 1 step gap, jump. Yeah. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6. Very good. Come on. 7, 8. More. 9, 10. 9. Oh, that's great. Come on. 8. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 2 more. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Okay. So from here we have stopped our exercise. Now we are going to exercise some stretching. Please sit down. Sit comfortably and we are going to butterfly. Now go for 20 reps butterfly. Come on. Make sure your spine should be straight to relax your thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax.